A lever consists of uniform steel rod AB of mass, weight is 100 newtons. Because it is uniform, it will be at the middle point M. Weight will be how much? 100 newtons. Rests on a small pivot C. Pivot is smooth pivot, and a load of 1700 newtons is acting here, suspended from the end B of the rod by a rope. The lever is held in equilibrium in horizontal position by a vertical force applied at A. Okay, so at A we are applying another vertical force. This value he has not told us. So let us take this reaction as something like R. The rope is modeled as a light string. Okay, so string is not having any weight. That's what he is telling by this statement. Now A bit. Given that BC length is 0.25 meters. Find the magnitude of force applied at A. So R value we need to find. So for this it's best if we go with moment about C point. We are not interested in finding the reaction at C. Without finding reaction at C, we will get R value. Let's go ahead. So one by one the forces. R into AC. R into AC, this is anti-clockwise, so plus, and then 100 into MC, this is also anti-clockwise, so plus 1700 into 0.25, this one is clockwise, so minus. Total should be equal to 0. Then AC value is how much? AC value will be 2 minus 0.25, so 1.75. MC value will be MB minus BC. Now MB value is half means 2 by 2 minus BC is 0.25. 1 minus 0.25, that is 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. The MC value we found. AC value is known, so substitute all the values. R into AC 1.75, send all to the other side, minus 100 into MC value is 0.75, this becomes plus 1700 into 0.25. So R value we will get by solving this equation. So 1700 into 0.25 minus 100 into 0.75, this total divided by 1.75, so we're getting 200 now. So R value is 200 newtons, correct? Hello? Josh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, position of the pivot is changed. Okay, so the pivot position now is changed so that the rod remains in equilibrium and the force at A is magnitude 150. So for B bit, the value R dash has been given as 150 newtons. So when R dash becomes 150, the point, this load itself will change to some other point C dash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pivot point will change to some other point C dash. And what is he asking us to find? find to the nearest centimeter the new distance of pivot from B. So BC dash he is asking. So BC dash equal to how much? Okay.
Yes.
So once again we have to take moment about C. Now this time R dash into AC dash. No.
Yes.
This is anti-clockwise, so plus, and then 100 into MC dash. This as well is anti-clockwise, so plus, and then 1700 into BC dash. This one is clockwise, so minus. Total should be 0. So BC dash is the value we need to find. What about AC dash? A to C dash can be written as BM, that is this distance, minus BC dash. Correct?
Yes.
And BC dash, let us represent it by X. Let us represent it as X. So BM is 1 minus X. Correct?
Yes.
So AC dash is 1 minus X. What about MC dash? MC dash. A to C dash. Hey, 1 minute. AC dash is AB minus BC dash, no?
Yes, sir.
Total length minus BC dash. BC dash is X. So 2 minus X. This will be 2 minus X. Now when it comes to MC dash can be taken as BM minus BC dash. Correct?
Yes.
So BM is 1. This is 1 minus X. MC dash is 1 minus X. AC dash is 2 minus X. Okay?
Yes.
And again we have BC dash. BC dash will become X. So R dash is 150, no? 150 into
Yes,
AC dash, that is 2 minus X, plus 100 into MC dash is 1 minus X, minus 1700 into BC dash is X. Total is 0. So here we have just X as the unknown. Solve it, we will get it. So open the brackets. So 300 minus 150X plus 100 minus 100X minus 1700X equals 0. X terms, take them to the other side. What do we get? 1700 becomes positive on the other side. 100x also becomes positive. 150 also becomes positive. So 1950x. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
So x value will be 400 by that. 400 divided by 1950. 0.205. This is the value of X or BC dash. Okay.
Yes.
So B point is also over. Any doubts?
No.
It's best if you practice this after once it is done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Some problems you should be able to practice on your own, and if you come with the doubts, I'll help you out with that. Because when I am solving, you will see it as very easy, but when you sit to solve the problem, you might face some difficulties. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have a plank AB as length 4 meters. So AB length is 4 meters. It lies on a horizontal platform with end A lying on the platform. and be projecting over the ledge as shown in the figure. The edge of the platform is at C. Jack and Jill are experimenting with the plank. Jack has a mass 48 kgs. Jill has a mass. Okay, Jack and Jill, how to represent them? Let's say R1 and R2. Okay. Jack is R1.
Yes.
Jill is R2. They discover that if Jack stands at B, your Jack and Jill. So we should be clear about their names. Let's call it as K something. Jack is J, Jack is K, Jill is RL. Okay.
Okay, sir.
K is Jack, L is Jill. So now he's telling. Okay, so they discover that if Jill stands at B, that means RL. If RL is at B, Jill stands at B. Sorry. If Jack stands at, is telling if Jack stands at B, Jill stands at A. Jill means JL, RL, and BC equal to 1.8. BC is 1.8 meter. The plank is in equilibrium and at the point of tilting about C. Okay, point of tilting about C. So which side will it tilt? Will it tilt this side or this side? This is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise. So if it tries to tilt this side, of course there will be a reaction provided here, no?
Yes.
So it will tilt this side. Okay. So that reaction from here, this ground will become 0. So what is he asking? By modeling the plank as uniform rod, Jack and Jill as particles, find the mass of the plank. So plank is uniform or not? No information is given. Okay, here he is telling a uniform rod. So its mass we have to assume here. What is the mass of the rod? We have to find it, right? So let's take that as mg. Let's take that as mg, and now we have to take moment about C. Moment about C. So RL into AC. RL into AC. This is anti-clockwise, so plus, and then okay, of course plus, and then RK, Jack into CB, Jack into CB. This one is clockwise, so minus, and then mg into, let's take this as m point, mc. This one is anti-clockwise, so positive. This total should be 0. Now AC length is how much? He's telling AB length is given, right? Let's write down AB length first. AB length is 4 meters, and CB length is giving 1.8 meters, and we want, what other values we want? AC will be 4 minus 1.8, that is 2.2. CB length is known, MC length we need. How to find MC length? MC length BM minus BC. BM is 4 by 2 minus BC is 1.8. So 2 minus 1.8. 2 minus 1.8 is 0.2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So find it now. RL is how much? RL is 36. So 36G. 36G into AC. AC is 2.2 minus RK. RK is 48G into CB. CB is 1.8 plus mg into MC is 0.2. Total should be 0. Now G value is common in all, it will get cancelled. M is remaining. So 0.2 M equals 48 into 1.8 minus 36 into 2.2. So M is how much? (48 into 1.8 minus 36 into 2.2 divided by 0.2. 36 36 kg. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So this is A bit. Next let us go with B bit. They now alter the position of the plank in relation to the plank so that when Jill stands at B, okay, so let's draw the diagram separately here. So this is A, this is B. Now Jill is standing at B. Jill means RL. Okay, so that when Jill stands at B, Jack stands at A. Jack means RK. Jack stands at A. The plank again is in equilibrium and the point of tilting about C. Find the length BC. Now the point C will change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Point C will change. Now we have to find this length BC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So once again it will tilt about this point. So B bit take moment about C. So RK into AC. This one is anti-clockwise, so positive. Then RL into X. This one is clockwise, so minus. And there will be the weight, at point M there will be the weight. Weight of the plank is how much? Mg. Okay, and M value
Yes.
we know here. M value we have to substitute from here. Okay.
Yes.
So now Mg into Mc. This one is anti-clockwise, so positive. Correct. Total should be 0.
Yes.
Now Rk is how much again? Rk was 48G into AC. AC length now it will be different now. AC length means total length minus BC. Total length remains as 4. BC now it has become X. So 4 minus X minus RL Jill is 36G into, okay, this is X directly, let's take it as X, plus M value is 36G into MC. How to find MC? MC is BM minus BC. BM is 4 by 2 minus X. That means 2 minus X. This total should be 0.
Yes.
So G is common in all of them. It will cancel out. And can we simplify it further? It will be divisible by 4 now. So
Yes.
4, 12, 4, 8 is a 36, 4, 8 is a 36. Once again it is divisible. So 4, 3 is a 4, 2, 4, 2. So 3 times 4 minus X minus 2X plus 2 times 2 minus X equal to 0. Correct?
Yes.
So now take all the X terms to the other side. So 3 into 4 plus 2 into 2 equals 3x plus 2x plus 2x. So 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 4, 16 equals 4 plus 3, 7x. So
Yes, sir.
16 by 7 meters. Okay.
Yes.